When you see your light, let me tell you if you're not wrong. So everything was alright. So we gonna walk, gonna walk, gonna walk. All out to the rise of creation, we are the generation. We got to break that generation. Alright then, give me one. Look. Open the house. Look with it. We know that it's fine. Tonight we'll be back. We know where we're going. We know where we're going now. We're leaving Babylon. We're going to the Father's land. Give me the voice. Hey, hey. Give me one, just a minute. If I can't get this, I'm going to see the future that is a life of many children. So, what I'm going to do, but I'm going to take this little man again. So, what I'm going to do, but I'm going to take this little man again. Give me one. Survivor.